Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do the age calculator in Google Sheets. So in this case, I'm going to count the age of singers, and in here I have the list of the names, singers' name, and also their date of birth, and I'm going to count or uh calculate their age by using this formula. So if you want to know someone's age, you can just use this as the formula. So start by using the dated if formula, and then choose the start date, this one's right here, and then the end date is today, like this. Then parentheses and close parentheses, and then comma, quotation, y or year, and then close. Just click on enter and their age will be show up in here, and you can just drag this formula to find out the whole data. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can do the age calculator in Google Sheets. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next videos.